Hey guys, this is Rye123 and today we're going to be doing our first scripting tutorial, and what we're going to be doing is making it so that we can go through open and close our door here. So first thing you're going to want to do is come over to its properties and check CanCollide so that you can't go through it normally. Next, we're going to need 2 bricks. So we're going to need 2, that's 3. Take this one, put it like right there. Take this one, put it right here. Okay, now make one of them red and leave the other one green. And then we're just gonna click both of them by clicking the first one and then holding Control and clicking the second one. Then come over here and click Anchored. Then click on the green brick, come over here to your objects and find script and insert it. And it opens it up, and as you can see, inside of our green button here, because it's green, is our script. So first thing we're gonna need is to go back to our thing, and we're just gonna have to group all 3 of these together. So come over here, group them, and just call it door. And make sure you name our door door2. And then go back into the script, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use a variable to define the door. So all you're gonna have to do, well, I guess I should tell you what a variable is. A variable is kind of like a word that holds meaning. So like, I'll just show you and then you can see if you understand. So if we say local, that's not how you spell local. Local door equals script.Parent.Parent.Door. So what this means is that every time we use the word door lowercase, it's going to come over here and say script.Parent, which is the green button, .Parent, which is our model, .Door. So anytime the script sees lowercase door, it knows that it's referencing our door. Then we're going to need, since we're telling the script to, we only want the door to open or close when either of the buttons are touched. So we have to make a function onTouched. Then, well, let's just leave that like that. Hit enter and Roblox will put an end for you. Then all we have to do is tell it what we want to do when the door gets touched. So we're gonna say door.CanCollide equals false. This will make it so that whenever the green button is pushed, it makes it so that you can walk through the door. And just so we can see this, let's go door.Transparency equals 1, which will make the door completely, well, let's just do like 0.8. This will make the door semi-see-through. And that's it. So we say end. Now, if we were to run this script right now, go in and touch the green button, it wouldn't do anything. That's because this function, it doesn't actually know what's getting touched. So what we're going to have to do is use, I don't even know what you'd call this, but you go script.Parent, which is talking about the button, .touched, .connect, how do you spell connect? And then we're gonna say onTouched. So what this is saying is, whenever this script's parent, which is our green button, is touched, it's going to call this function in which our door opens. Without this, our script would do nothing. Okay, so let's go ahead and test our game and see if it works. Okay guys, sorry about that. I had to go ahead and start a server for it to work. So let's go touch our button. And as you can see, now it opens and we can go through it. But now we need to work on the close button. So let's get back out of the server and the player. And as you can probably guess, we're going to go to the red button, which is this one. We're going to put another script, which is right here. It's going to open up, and pretty much we're going to do the same thing. So what you can really do is go into the other script, copy it, and paste it. We're just going to change a few things though. Instead of false, we're going to say true here, and instead of 0.8, we're going to see 0 so that we know we can't walk through the door. So that's almost it for this tutorial. This button will open it, this button will close it, but let's say that you don't want to touch the button, but you want to click it. So what we're going to do is let's start with the green one. Click on your green button over in the Explorer and come over here and put in a click detector. Then go back into the script and let's do a double dash to comment this out, which means that whatever's green, the script won't do. So like if you were doing a script, you could just say, hey, this is where we tell the door or the button to work when it is clicked. Then we're gonna say script.Parent.ClickDetector. That's how I spell detector.clicked.connect. And we're just going to use the same function, but come up here and we have to delete the P in the parentheses. And that should work. So let's take this line, copy it, go into our red button, paste it over, and then we're going to have to copy our click detector, paste it into the red one, and let's go ahead and start a server and see if our buttons are clickable. Okay, let's go click on them. I really need to move this spawn back over here. And look, as you can see, we can click on them now. Maybe. Dang it. Alright, we said the wrong thing. Let's see what we did wrong, shall we? Oh, that's what's wrong. Okay. Sorry, guys. So you have to say, instead of just .clicked, you have to say .MouseClick. I don't know why, but that's just what you have to say. So let's just fix that on both of these. And there you go. Now your door will open and close when you click on it. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for future tutorials, leave them in the comments. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.